This video I'm going to show you how I made these custom heart-shaped coasters. These are a great Valentine's gift idea, or you can use them for an anniversary present or just any present for a loved one, and they're easy to make. And there is the rough part of it. I'm going to sand the edges here. The edges are a little bit rough. I'm going to sand it with some 120, and then we're going to start wood burning all of this here. So one thing I noticed here about the wood burning tip here is it gets black on the end, and once it gets black it takes a lot longer to burn. So I'm going to be using a little miniature file set right here. There's just a little flat file, and if you are looking for a file or miniature file set, I'll put a link in the description box below. That will take you straight to Amazon. And what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and file off some of that black right there, just very gently. Just like so. And I noticed after that, it'll start burning like it should. So just a little tip.